I know, Roger. That play our next big one, and I'll just tell you. And before you even play it,
But the truth is that you can graduate from music school because you are that versed in
music,
a particular era of music.
Yeah, no, all kind of areas. I love dancehall. I love the greatest music to me is.
What are your views on dancehall, darling? Can dancehall stall?
Dancehall what?
Can dancehall stall?
Can dancehall what?
Stall.
Stall? I didn't know yet.
You know, I said, can't tell us that dancehall can't start. I'm asking you for your views on whether dancehall can start.
No, dancehall can't start.
Why?
Because
support your answer with 3 points.
Support my answer with 3 points.
From this one.
Is one of the greatest genres in music history.
You can't start like that. That's not a sentence.
You say it's supposed to be.
Dancehall can't start because.
Okay, dancehall can't start. God, is my mother?
Yes.
Dancehall can't start because it's one of the greatest genres in the history of music.
Oh, yes.
That's one. It gets people happy and want to dance and things. That's 2. And it's Jamaican. That is 3. Time for some hot topics.
5 out of 5.
What?
Good job.
Thank you very much.
Good job.
Hot topics.
Run it.
Clive, so we have chat too much, so make we rush. We have news in 9 minutes. I was telling Sim about this. This is beautiful. Last hurrah for Dunrobin Primary Senior School leavers go out in style. Look at this. This is a drive-through graduation, which was just excellent. People turned up with sunroof. Look at that one.
No.
And they were just yelling, and it is brilliant.
And they got their packages.
Yeah, they got everything. Fantastic.
I feel so badly for the poor kids who were so looking forward to
Yeah, and that's why I love this. At least they still got an opportunity. I'm sorry I wasn't told about that, because me I go up there and clap and all kind of thing too. Nice for the kids. Hope all the ballers coming to George's.
Yeah. Wow. No bias there.
That's the next one.
Pep. I knew this was going to happen, you know. I don't like to be a negative Nancy, but their parents know of grade 6 students who are very upset as a result of incorrect information sent out by the Ministry of Education regarding the portal on which they should have registered on Wednesday to access the PEP placement results, which will be posted by or at 4 o'clock today. On Wednesday, today's what? Friday? On Wednesday, Acting Chief Education Officer Dr. Kassan Troop told JIS News that the special parent portal called the Dean's Performance Information System could be accessed via a particular address as of 5 p.m. that evening. But at the time the portal was slated to go live, parents could not get on. They faced a roadblock at the URL because the address they were given apparently was still invalid.
Apparently there's just an S. It said parent.
That's all you need.
And the address should be parents. So they said www, but apparently now they are both. So it can instead of www.parent.dp online, whatever, it said parents.
Well, the ministry advising parents that the system had been stress tested to ensure it stands up to the flood of parents and guardians who are going to jump on at 4 today. Says the issues are being addressed, will not affect the release of PEP results today. And it also said that student scores and placement for the PEP will also be available at primary level schools today at 2 o'clock. Our best to all the students who are going to find out their results today. What a stressful time for you and for your parents. Boy, guys, don't worry about it. Everything has a way of working itself out, whatever it is. And we wish all of you the absolute best. And
fantastic.
Congratulations.
Fantastic. Students make schools, so wherever you go, just make that school into the best school in life. Final one, the 7th Premier League champion, Liverpool. They won their first Premier League title. And people might say, well, we must say, they win 18 titles, but they've never won a Premier League title. This is their 19th title overall. But the Premier League started in 1992, and this is the first time. Only 7 teams have won it. And the outstanding Manchester United, they've won it 13 times.
But that don't look like social distancing to me.
No, because they didn't even play yesterday. They won because City lost. So they didn't even play. This is after the game. People just came to Liverpool. They just came to the to the stadium, but they didn't even play.
But that's not social. You see,
Nope,
this is why.
5,000 people. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
No, but I'm telling you, it's the first time in 30 years that they've won an English title.
A big celebration.
That was expected.
That's not a good thing.
5,000 is a little bit, to be honest, that was expected.
I think this is why people were concerned that even if the matches are played matchless, outside the stadium would be full because people would be there to try and come in.
Well, you know, their matchless stadium is 300 people in the stadium, you know.
Still,
Yep.
there'll be another 10,000 outside.
Yeah, because they have the media, they have the medical folks, they have the camera folks, they have security still. And even yesterday I was watching the game, there was a coach from another club, David Moyes was there just watching the game. So them kind of spread them out because the stadium holds 50,000, so if even 5,000 in there, probably you could still...
Another 10,000 would be outside.
Yeah, spread them all over.
Who are you rooting for?
I'm an Arsenal man. I've always said this to people, that Liverpool is my club because I'm friends with John Barnes, who went to St. George's College for a couple of months before he left. So John Barnes is my very good friend. So Liverpool was always my club. But if you ask a George's kid which team is my team, they're going to tell your coach like 17. Any team that play the kind of football like Arsenal, Manchester City, Barcelona, and now Liverpool.
That's the pass the ball and the ball go around.
That is my kind of team. So any team that play like that. First time I saw Swansea with Coach Brendan Rodgers, I went to George and I said, no man, we have a new team. And the man said, what coach? I said, Swansea, I lick some ball. So any team play like that. And I don't freak out like these people that when them team lose, them not chat to nobody and them ready for cuss out for everybody. So when Arsenal lose, we just go sleep, same way.
Don't burn you.
Not at all.
Don't burn you at all.
When Georges lose, it burn me.
This is true.
When Jamaica lose, it burn me. But when Arsenal lose, I just like how them play. And I love them because of Arsene Wenger. He brought a change to English football. He was the first coach that actually chose an English team without an Englishman on it. And they nearly murdered.
Is it Wenger?
Yeah, Arsene Wenger. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I just like the teams that play this, what them call, well, we call it tic-tac, but they call it tic-tac or something like that. So, congrats to Liverpool. We're chasing them tonight, I suspect. We're not doing but turn on the TV.
Newsroom is all over it.
Yeah, man. But congrats. First time in 30 years. And this coach, Jurgen Klopp, something else. 4 years at Liverpool, 2 Champions League final. He win a Champions League, now win the Premier League. And in 2 seasons, the man lose too much. In 2 full seasons.
Wow.
38 and 38 is how much? 76?
Yeah.
In 76 games, he lose
76.
2. He lose too much.
Pretty good.
No, man. Brilliant.
Stuff,
Last year, the man lose 1 match and now in the league.
Good stuff.
Oh, quickly. I got a late birthday. Quickly. Let me just tell this before. It's not. I do have a picture, everyone, so you can. Don't move. I'm coming. Where it is? Maria Anderson from Azan Crossroads. Her birthday is actually tomorrow. So, Maria, have an absolutely amazing day from all of us and from your family and friends. So